guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how I prepare my sorrel. So here I am washing the sorrel right here. I purchased this sorrel downtown Kingston, but however I never get the sorrel strip. I purchased strip sorrel, but still yet them put sorrel in there with seed. So here me I showing you the second wash water, that is the seed, and I use a little salt just to wash off the sorrel, just if any little insect or so in the sorrel, it can be removed. And then I use a second water to wash it again. As you can see right here, I am showing you guys. So guys, if the video seems like it all up in on your face, I do apologize for that, because I was the only person home. Billy was at work, so I had to record this all on my own. So as you can see right here, I'm opening up the sorrel, ensure there's nothing inside it. And this one having seed. No, that one just having a seed. So open up the sorrel, rinse it out. Okay, you know them little insect, they always choose the inside. And this one having seed. So I have to be stripping it with my only one hand and recording in the other hand. So guys, I'm gonna give me my props, and please me I beg you to watch the video, guys. Please me I beg you to subscribe, wanna like the video, wanna comment, and wanna share it out. Please me I beg you, guys. I'm so close. It's been a while. I know I'm saying we're so close to be monetized. I don't know what going on, I don't know what happened. We are close. We don't know why YouTube are fight against we. We don't know. Anyway, but in this clip, one of us I wonder why the water look like this. It's the ginger, the orange skin, and the pimento seed. What I did here, I pour in everything in the water and ensure everything is boiled. If one did smell the flavor will come up out of the water, oh my god, it smells so good. So I use this just to spice up the sorrel. So here I add in the sorrel right here. Add it in the boiled water. So here you can see the water boil up. So what I did, I closed the pot and ensure that the sorrel boiled along with the ginger, the orange skin, and the pimento seed for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I turn off the stove and let it sit there to draw. And what I did, I let it sit here and let it draw overnight. So I don't mix the sorrel until the next day. So here I'm just showing you how it look when the sorrel boil up for 2 to 3 minutes. As I said before, this is not the best quality sorrel, but it do its thing. skip the videos, we're not gonna really get the watch hours we were supposed to get. And here I'm just showing how the drink look. So in the next clip now, guys, I'm going to do a second strain. I use a finer strainer just to get out all the particles that's left in the sugar and any little fine stuff that was in the sorrel and on the ginger as well and on the orange skin. So just go and watch. And in the other clip coming up, I am going to show you guys where I add the rum, the white Rare Never rum. I didn't use any red label wine. I used just white rum. And it was so good. It tastes really good as well, guys. So just go and watch and just enjoy the rest of the video. And don't forget again to like, share, and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. And share out the video to your family and your friends. On a friend, on a family friend. Just share out the video, guys. And send them to our channel. So I will see you all in our next video. Bye, guys, and Billy say Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year when it comes. And I guess we see you in our video before the end of 2020. So bye, guys. See you all in our next video.
Subscribe!